Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Nonna Pina, how are you?
Okay.
Hi, Nonna Pina. Nonna Pina, we have cabbage here, and what we're going to make today, incorporating ground pork. That's 7 handfuls, literally 7 handfuls of ground pork. That's why I measured it. And then, I don't know, that's just quite a bit of rice there. That's probably 4 cups of rice, right?
Three.
3 cups of rice, okay?
Three.
When it was raw, when era cruda.
Yeah.
So that was 3 cups of raw rice, okay? 7 handfuls of ground pork, regular ground pork. And what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate those two. This is going to be the filling of the cabbage rolls. And we've got here Parmesan cheese, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, and then some tomato sauce. What's going to happen here, Nonna Pina is going to mix it all together. Oh, and I forgot a couple of eggs with salt and pepper. But what Nonna Pina is going to do is she's going to take this cabbage roll, and what we've got going on here is water boiling, and this will help to blanch the cabbage so that we can remove the leaves, which we'll then use to roll the cabbage rolls. So Nonna Pina, let's start with the mix you're going to do here. Se non giova tutto, non già mettere tutto, ok? Okay, so you're not going to use it all, ma? Non la usi tutta? Yeah, just fine, ma. Okay, Nonna Pina, so that's the meat all done. All nice and mixed together. Very good consistency. We didn't use all the rice, so maybe 2 cups of rice is good for 7 handfuls of the pork. So now what we're going to do is we're going to blanch these leaves so that they don't break when we Okay, so now we have all the leaves that we've done, and what we've done is we removed just like this a piece of the aspetta che stai parlando qua, a piece of the harder kind of root, and we're going to chop that up and put it inside of the mixture. Okay, so Nonna Pina, you mixed that in there, the leftover, the bits and bites. So we're going to now start building this. So the base is going to be the tomato sauce. Go ahead, Nonna Pina. The base is tomato sauce. Some Hungarian recipes they use V8 sauce, tomato, V8 sauce, like tomato juice. But we're not doing it that way. Okay, but this is a typical Hungarian dish. But we're doing it obviously kind of with a Sicilian twist.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the base. So now, Nonna Pina, you want to prepare yourself now to actually start making the rolls here. Okay, so you're gonna lie flat. How much are you putting? Let's see. That's about a handful. Yeah, like a little handful, okay? It's like the size of, well, you can see there what she's doing, okay? And now she's rolling. E poi ma gira da così. Da qua. Gira così. Turning there. Turning there to get a nice seal. Perfect. And then she's going to put it in the pan here. So I'll just make life easy for her. And just layer it. You can see it's a little bit broken there, but that's okay. This is all gonna cook well. Okay, so that's one. Okay, Nonna Pina is gonna continue this process, grabbing the meat. Nice filling. Gira, yeah. Okay. Beautiful. There's two. Troppo ce ne metti dentro.
Sì, la carne. No.
Okay, so there's the last one. And what we're gonna do now, good job, Nonna Pina, we're gonna put some sauce on top. And just a sprinkling of sauce.
Io tanticchio formaggio.
Okay. Just a sprinkling. Are you gonna wrap it with foil?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna wrap it with foil. Okay, we'll be back in an hour and we'll see how this turns out. Good job. Say bye, Nonna Pina.
Bye.
Hi, Nonna Pina.
Hi.
Okay, so it has been now just over an hour. We put the oven at 375, then we upped it to 400 for the last 15 minutes. So let's see what you got, Nonna Pina. All right, so let me just help you close this oven here. Thank you, oven. All right, so we are now going to unveil this beautiful, beautiful dish. Watch this for the steam. Woo. So there they are. I mean, I don't know if you could see the steam. Yeah, you can see the steam.
Okay.
So now it's nice and fork tender. So Nonna Pina, you want to just show here the fork. Ma, I'm just trying to show them here. Push the fork through. Ma, I'm just showing the people. Fa forchetta così.
Yeah, okay.
So you're just showing, it goes right through. That's how you know it's ready. Fork, 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 tender. Okay, so now Nonna Pina's going to build the dish. Let's have this one right here. Chi sta qua oggi, ma? Chi sta qua oggi? Yep. All right, so we're building now the dish. Okay, now, get un poco scudo, ma? Just going to get a bit of the sauce. A little bit of that. Okay. All right, now she's going to put some mashed potatoes. Mette, ma mette, ci sai. Mette, veda. And you want to serve it with some sauerkraut. Okay. Nice. So now let's cut into it, Nonna Pina. Let's see. So this is typically how you'd serve it. Now we'll put like a salad here as well, like a nice fresh green salad, mashed potato, and then the sauerkraut will give a nice tangy texture. So taglialo no mienzo, ma no mienzo. Okay, right down the middle. I'm going to tagliare qua. Qua. Perfect. Now let's see what's going on here. Okay, a gira louder, a gira louder. So there we have it. Let's just take a look. You see it's really, really come together. The egg really helped bind it, and everything's just sticking together nice. Nonna Pina, you want to take a bite? Let's see you take a bite. Let me move this out of your way. There you go, Nonna Pina. Why don't you bring it close to you? There we go. Okay, go in for the kill. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah? So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. These are cabbage rolls. Served with mashed potatoes, some sauerkraut. Like right now, my mom doesn't like sauerkraut, but I would have like a little piece of sauerkraut in my mouth, a little bit piece of mashed potato, and maybe a little bit of the salad after that. So this is cabbage rolls. This is Nonna Pina Sicilian cucina. Nonna Pina, thank you so much, okay?
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Woo.